Okay, this is Sony Bravia Android TV, smart TV. So I try switch it on. This TV have this kind of flickering problem. Look at that, flickering problem. Macam ni. Flickering maksudnya gambar dia berdouble lah. Okay, so let's try to fix it. Okay, let's go. Kita buka skru semua dan kita cuba buka casing dia. So this is the board. Letak sini, simpan. So what do we have here? Kita ada power module. This is display module. Dan tu dia. Kita ada left and right . So kita nak tengok mana dia punya display ni. So we have this main board here, but I cannot find where is the Ticon board. Is it this under at the bottom here? I think at the bottom here the Ticon board. I'm looking for this. Is the power board, or is it this one? I'm not sure as well. Is it this one? But I think this one is the power board. Should be lah. This is the Swiss board. And so here, let's see. I already removed this main board and also the controller board, remote board, and I think this one is the Ticon board. Let's see. Okay, I removed the screw already, and yes, correct, there you are. This is the Ticon board. So what do we have here? We have the left channel and the right channel with the, this is supposed to be clock signal at, I think I need to check this one. Okay, first thing first, I will remove the left one and see if the display is okay or not. So I will remove this one first, and then I try to switch on the TV. See, susah pula nak cabut. Okay, it looks like it's easier if I remove it from the bottom, because this one got the pull button, pull bar. This one macam fit. I cannot pull it out. So we just try the left one first. Okay, we try the left one first. So we pull this up. Okay, and see. Okay, pull this out and let's try first. Let's see, we try to see. Oh, okay, kita cuba tengok display dia. Okay ke tak? Tapi nampaknya screen black dia tak hidup . Okay, this time I remove the Ticon on the right. Okay, let's see. Ada. Okay, we have some display. Yeah, we have some display lah. Tapi yang ni macam oh, ya, yang sebelah kiri tadi padam. Okay, just now I remove this left, then no display, then I remove this one. I only install this, no display, meaning that this one is problem, and I install this one and I got display, meaning that I think I need to do something with the clock here. Let's see. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to block some signal over here, some port here. Let's see if it work or not. Okay, I put it back in now with this T-clock at exit clock. I block some signal over here and see. Let's see if it work or not. Okay, I install it back in. Now let's try to switch it on and power with remote. Let's try. Is it power up now? Not yet. Okay, belum power up lah. Okay, Still not power up. Okay, hidup dah. Okay, let's see what do we have here.